Today I've created this office look, and for those of you who don't know, I actually do have an exposure to MNC work because I have worked in an MNC for a couple of months, and I do know how people come in the office. There are all kinds of people, some who hate applying any sort of makeup and some who really like applying makeup. So I have tried to curate this look, keeping in mind the long hours that you've got to put into the office, so that you don't end up feeling that your face is super heavy with makeup. But at the same time, I want you guys to not go to the loo to just keep touching up your makeup, because I know how hard that can be. So yeah, I mean, this is like very natural, very clean. Least amount of products, again, as I always focus on. Also, this is so natural, so nice. No one will point at you and say, oh god, she's so made up, because this is really nice and natural. So yeah, I hope that you like this as much as I do, and try this out. And every single step that I'm doing is optional. You can skip products, you can add products, whatever you like. I have not done any liner and kajal. If you want liner and kajal, you can do either. I just wanted this to be like a no maintenance. I didn't want the kajal to keep smudging in the liner. It's just something I reserve for occasions more. I like to reserve that for occasions more. So yeah, I mean, I really hope that you stay with me and see how I have achieved this look. Please keep watching. So I'm going to begin with my Versali face oil. I'm just going to apply a few drops on my face and just going to spread that really liberally. After this, I'm going to use my Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. And now I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette by Crown Cosmetics. I'm just using some very warm light colors, because I'm just going to create a little depth in my crease, but it's not going to look like I'm using too many colors on my eyelids. It's just going to look very natural, but at the same time it will look very classy. So I'm just using that all over my crease. Now I'm going a little darker on my eyelids. Just again, now the color may look dark, but it is literally very light. Just gonna spread that very liberally all over my eyelids. Just darkening that up a little bit more. I'm using a fluffy brush because this brush literally just spreads the color very evenly. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I can't tell you the amount of difference that curling makes. You can literally see the difference in both. Now I'm using the mascara Go Big or Go Home by Kat Von D. I am just applying that on my eyelashes just to set that curl in place. Now I'm just going to take a denser brush and just darken my crease a little bit, because I just wanted that to look even more deeper. Now I'm using my MAC BB cream. I'm not using a foundation because I want it to be super light. I'm just applying that BB cream liberally all over my face and blending it with my beauty blender. I'm just going to push that cream in really well so that it just looks skin-like and does not look made up at all. And now I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I think this color, as I have told you before, matches my skin tone so well. I'm just going to conceal my dark circles and apply a little bit around my mouth. And then again spread it with my beauty blender. Again, I'm just going to push the concealer in really well so that it looks skin-like and does not look like a layer on top of my face. My MAC blusher. This is my favorite blusher. I just like to use that on my cheeks really liberally with a fluffy brush. It just makes my skin look flushed with that pink and not too made up. Use a highlighter and just apply that on the tops of my cheeks. I'm just going to apply very less quantity of highlighter just to make my face look a little bit dewy and not enough to make it shine like a disco ball. So I'm just going to sort of give it a very natural sheen sort of an effect. I'm just going to fill up my eyebrows with my Benefit eyebrow wand. I'm just going to comb them through, just going to fill the eyebrows bit by bit. I feel my eyebrows are really dense, so I don't work too much on them. I just fill up the gaps and I'm good to go. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to use this little light shade just on the inner corners of my eyes and the brow bone. I feel this is such a small process, but it adds so much of light to your eyes and it just makes your eyes look so much brighter. So just going to apply that to my satisfaction and then just a little bit, not too much, on the brow bone as well. Tiny brush over my cupid's bow as well. I feel it really looks very nice on my cupid's bow. After I'm done with that, I'm just going to line my lips. This is also a very important step. I am just going to line them with a nude color and not adding a very dark color. Now everything, as I said earlier, is according to your discretion. I am going to use a nude color because I think it's very easy to apply, it's quicker, it suits my skin tone, it's more professional for me. So I'm just going to apply a nude lip gloss. I think it's again by L'Oreal. I don't remember the color. I think it is just rubbed off from the bottle because I've had it for a while. I'm just going to apply a nude color. You can pick up any nude lipstick, any nude lip gloss. I'm just going to apply that on my lips to my satisfaction. Just going to use the same mascara wand on my under eyes too. I'm not going to double layer it, just once and that's it. And that, my friends, is the final look. I think it looks very clean and very nice. It's just a work version of my glass look. I think this is also very dewy, very nice, very clean skinned. You can use this for every day. It doesn't matter what the nature of your work is. You can carry this anywhere and everywhere, and it's sweet, it's nice, it's simple. You can add anything you want to it. You can add a darker color, you can add some kajal, you can add some liner, but I think this is perfect for me. So I hope that you guys are able to replicate it because it's super simple. There are hardly any products, and if you have any questions, you let me know in the comments below. I hope to see you next time. Bye.